Today we're going to be making a bird feeder out of a toilet paper roll. If you don't have a toilet paper roll, you can use a paper towel roll. Cut a piece off. You're going to need paper towel, string, some bird seed, some peanut butter, a knife, paper towel, pair of scissors. First thing you're going to do is tape your string. I like to tape mine around the edge on both sides. Then you're going to do the fun part, and you're going to spread some peanut butter all over your paper towel roll. Sometimes I like to put the peanut butter in another jar so that we're not double dipping. After you get the peanut butter all over the paper towel roll, you're just gonna roll it in your bird seed. And then there you have it. You just hang it outside for the birds to eat. Take a video of yours and show us pictures. Miss you guys.